Hello all, I am Dr. Chaitra, practicing homeopathy at Care Homeo Clinic, HSR Layout, Bangalore. Today we are diving into common and often uncomfortable issue, hand skin peeling. If you ever experienced dry, flaking or cracked skin on your hand, you know how bothersome it can be. In this video, we'll explore causes, how to differentiate it from conditions like eczema most commonly, how homeopathy can offer natural and effective solutions for restoring smooth, healthy skin. Stick around because you will also cover prevention tips to keep your hands looking and feeling their best. What are the causes of skin peeling of hands? Let us understand why your hand skin might start peeling. It's not always just about the dryness. Dryness or xerosis is probably the common culprit, but environmental factors like cold, weather, low humidity and frequent hand washing, especially harsh soaps, can strip your skin of its natural oil, leading to dehydration and peeling. Irritant contacts, dermatitis. This happens when your skin comes in contact with an irritating substances. Think about harsh cleaning chemicals, solvents or even certain ingredients in lotions or sanitisers. The skin reacts by becoming red, itchy and yes, it can peel. Allergic contact dermatitis. Similar to irritant dermatitis, but it is an allergic reaction to specific substances. Common allergens includes metals, fragrance or certain preservatives. The peelings can be accompanied by intense itching and blisters. Fungal infection. Sometimes fungal infections like athlete's boots can spread to hands, causing peeling, redness and itching. And psoriasis. This is a chronic autoimmune condition that can cause red scaly patches on the skin, including hands, which can certainly lead to peeling. Eczema or atopic dermatitis. We will talk more about this in a bit, but eczema is a chronic inflammatory skin condition that often presents with dry, itchy and peeling skin. Exfoliation, believe it or not, sometimes excessive or harsh exfoliation or even overusage of certain ingredients like retinoids on the hands can lead to temporary peeling. Sunburn. A very severe sunburn on the hands can also result in skin peeling as damaged outer layer as sheds. How to differentiate whether it is eczema or just dryness? This is a crucial question. What you're experiencing, just dryness or is it some more like eczema? Knowing the difference between guide your treatment. Dryness, typically if it's just dryness, the peeling is usually accompanied by tightness or mild itching. The skin might look a bit dull or flaky. It more often improves significantly with regular moisturizers. Eczema or atopic dermatitis. Eczema leads to be more intense. Intense itching with eczema is often severe and can be disruptive, sometimes leading to scratching that further demands the skin. Inflammation. You will likely see redness, inflammation and sometimes small bumps of blisters. Thickened skin. Over time, chronic eczema can cause the skin to become thickened and lethargy due to repeated scratching and inflammation. While dryness can be anywhere, eczema often appears in the skin folds, but on the hands it can be widespread or concentrated in certain areas. Flare-ups. Eczema tend to have periods of worsening symptoms, flare-ups, followed by periods of improvements. When to see a doctor? If your symptoms are severe, persistent or you suspect an infection, it is always best to consult a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and treatment. Which homeopathy remedies will work for dryness, peeling or cracked skin? And can homeopathy help restore smooth skin naturally? Now let's talk about natural approach with homeopathy. Homeopathy focuses on treating the individual, not the disease, not just the symptoms, aiming to stimulate the body's self-healing mechanism. The choice of remedy depends on the specific presentation of symptoms. Here are some commonly used homeopathy remedies for dry skin, peeling or cracked skin on the hands. Graphite is often indicated for rough, dry, cracked skin especially, and skin folds around the nails. The cracks may bleed and there might be honey-like discharges also. These often are history of slow healing. Number 2, petroleum. Excellent for very dry, chapped and cracked skin, especially worse in winter. The skin might feel like leather and cracks can be too deep and painful. It is often associated with burning and itching sensation. Sulfur, indicated for itchy, burning and red skin. Conditions often worse from washing or warmth. The peeling might be accompanied by disagreeable odor. These are often a history of suppressions of skin eruptions. Next comes Soranium, useful for very dry, rough and unhealthy looking skin. These often intense itching, especially at night, and generate lack of reaction of the remedies. The skin may appear dirty or unwashed. Next comes Alumina. For extremely dry skin that feels like there is often intense itching without a visible rash, and the skin may crack easily, especially in the bands of joints. Next comes Restox. If the peeling is due to an allergic reaction or poison ivy like rash with intense itching, redness and blister that may ooze, Restox can be very helpful. Next comes Natramure, one of our favorite remedy for dryness, chapped skin especially around the mouth or hairline, but can also apply to hands. The skin may feel unhealthy and oily, yet be dry and peeling. These often a history of grief or emotional suppressions. Can homeopathy helps to restore smooth skin naturally? Yes, homeopathy can absolutely help to restore natural smooth skin, addressing the underlying imbalance that's causing a peeling by choosing the right remedy based on your unique symptoms. Picture. It aims to heal the skin from within, leading to long-term improvements rather than just temporarily focusing symptom suppressions. Topical homeopathic ointments effective too? This is a great question. While internal homeopathy remedies address the root cause, topical homeopathy ointments can certainly provide symptoms relief and support the healing process. Calendula ointment. This is a fantastic general purpose homeopathic ointment. Calendula is known for its antiseptic and healing properties. It's excellent for minor cuts and small kind of irritated chapped wounds. Helps soothe irritated, chapped or peeling skin, promoting healthy tissue regeneration. Urtica urinus ointment. If the peeling is accompanied by intense itching, stinging or a rash that resembles hives, Urtica urinus can be very soothing. Graphitis ointment. If you are using graphitis internally, applying graphitis based on the ointment topically can offer additional relief, particularly for dry and cracked skin. Petroleum jelly. With homeopathy remedies, while not strictly a homeopathic ointment, plain petroleum jelly can act as a barrier trapping moisturizer. If you are using internal remedy, applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly after using some remedies just as a moisturizer can help to protect or hydrate the peeling skin. Now let us come to general tips. Application: always apply topical ointments on the clean skin. A little goes long away. If you are sensitive, do a patch test first. Remember, these are complementary or internal remedies, not replacements. How to prevent reoccurrence with homeopathy? Lifestyle tips. Finally, prevention is key. Even with effective remedies, adopting finally or healthy habits can significantly reduce the chance of your hand skin peeling returning. Here are some homeopathy lifestyle tips. Number 1, hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Healthy skin starts from inside out. Gentle hand wash, use lukewarm water instead of hot, or choose mild fragrance or fragrance free moisturizers. Soaps, avoid harsh antibacterial soaps and unless necessary. Moisturize frequently. Apply good quality or unscented hands lotions immediately after your hands are thoroughly washed. And any exposure to water or irritants, look for ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acids or shea butter. Wear gloves, dishwashing, cleaning always. Wear waterproof gloves when you are doing dish cleaning with chemicals or the gardening. Cold weather, in cold, dry weather, wear gloves to protect your hands from harsh elements. Avoid irritants, identify and avoid substance that triggers your skin irritation. This might include certain soaps, detergents, sanitizers and even foods which if you are suspect an allergy. Dietary consideration, diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids from fish or flax seeds or walnut. Vitamin A, C and E and zinc can support your healthy skin. Reduce inflammatory foods like excessive sugar and processed items. Stress management or stress can exaggerate many skin conditions including eczema. So practice stress reducing activities like yoga, meditation, deep breathing or spend some time with the nature. Avoid excessive hand sanitizers while necessary at times. Overusing alcohol-based hand sanitizers can dry out your hands. Opt for soap and water when possible. Patience and consistency. Skin healing takes time. Be consistent with your homeopathy remedies and lifestyle changes for the best results. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at hand skin peeling. From its cause to how homeopathy can often naturally and holistic path to heal. Remember, if your symptoms are severe or persistent, always consult qualified homeopaths or healthcare professional for personalized assessment and treatment. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these remedies. Thank you.